For today's video, I will show you how to pay with a Venmo on Amazon. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is we need to log into both of your accounts on Venmo and on Amazon. Now, if you are on Amazon, all you're gonna do is log in using your credentials and hover down to your account. And all you're gonna do is click on payments right here. Click on that, and what will happen is you will be directed here on this page where you can see wallet, cards and accounts, rewards and balances. All you're gonna do is add a payment method. All right. As you can see, I haven't had the chance to add any payment method, but if you do, you would see all your payment options here. And if you don't see a Venmo, this is the perfect time for you to add your Venmo account. All right. Now, when you click add a payment method, a lot of options will come in. All right. There's like an FSA or HSA cards. Use your FSA card to pay for eligible items. You also have the option to add your credit or debit cards because Amazon accepts major credit and debit cards like Visa, Discover, MasterCard, and also they have the Amazon Store card. You can access the exclusive financing offers, no annual fees, zero fraud, liability. And you also have the option to add your personal checking accounts. Use your US-based personal checking account right here. You can also add your EBT card information. Now, if you can't see the Venmo option here, it's probably with your region or country restriction. But if you do so, all you're gonna do is click on Venmo, and Venmo will be added to your as one of your payment methods here on Amazon. All right. And if you are ready with your Venmo account, they will ask for it, and they will check if it's you who are trying to link your Venmo app to your Amazon. Say, for example, you ordered an item here in Amazon. Here, you can see the option to proceed to checkout. If you click on it, all right, you would be able to see your Venmo payment method here. All right. So that means you were able to successfully add your Venmo here, if that's the case. All right. Now on Venmo, if you're using Venmo instead of the Amazon, all you're gonna do is go to the Me tab by tapping your picture or initials, and tap the gear icon in the upper right corner. Tap connected businesses, select your merchant, and of course you need to select or add the payment method you would like to use, which is on Amazon. Right now, if you have problems adding Venmo to your Amazon or vice versa, what I need you to do is simply contact the customer supports for both Venmo or Amazon. You need to go down below, contact Venmo, and tell them your situation, that you are having problems of paying with Venmo on your Amazon account. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, we will see you all in our next video.